How to get a shopping cart at Aldi. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to get shopping cart at Aldi. To get a shopping cart at Aldi, you'll need to follow the steps. So first thing you need is Aldi requires a deposit of quarter to use a shopping cart. So make sure to bring a quarter coin with you when you go shopping. And when you arrive at the Aldi store, locate the designated cart area near the entrance, and this typically has rows of shopping carts lined up. Insert your quarter coin into the slot on the cart handles. This is going to release the quarter from the chain or lock that secures it to the other cart. Once you've inserted the quarter, you can pull the card out from the row and make sure to remove the quarter from the slot before you start shopping. Now with your card in hand, you can now navigate the aisles of the Aldis, and when you're done shopping and checking out, you can go to the section where you've actually got your cart, and you should be able to get your quarter back. So that is how you can get a shopping cart at Aldi. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.